Hello again. What we're looking at here today is the locking mechanism to the back tailgate. I've noticed, for quite a while now actually, when I lock the van that I've got keyless entry, so when I lock it by the key fob, sometimes it works first go, it locks the tailgate. Other times it might take 2 or 3 goes before it's locked. So every time you lock the van, you got to walk around the back, check that it's locked. If it's not, just keep on hitting the key fob until you can feel the handle no longer is going to open the van and you walk off. I've been meaning to look at that for a while, and one of those things that you take for granted, just keep on putting off and putting off, and now the back door doesn't lock at all. And investigating this before recording, I found the problem is this guy here. That's loose now, and what happens is, if I can show you, see how that's tilting like that. Now all I'm going to do is grease this up and put it back in, because I can't really see a way of fixing it without I'll show you in a second. Just want to show you what this is doing first. You can see the bottom part there is it's catching. Right now it's stuck. Okay, so if I work at it, and the more I work at it, the better it's been getting. When I first took this out, this was so hard to move, it was just like jammed there, and it still gets a little bit stuck. It's stuck there now. There it goes. So it's still a bit, it's still a bit sticky. I can't really see other way to fix it other than I've got the grinder in and grinded all these points here off to pull this whole thing apart to get access to that. Then I might be able to come up with a solution for that one pin, but then I'd have to try and come up with a solution for everything that I grinded off, so that's not going to happen. I'm just trying to show you how that wiggles, and when that tilts like that, it grips and stops it from moving. At the moment, the pin itself looks in reasonably good condition still, so not bad for a 92 part. It's just not sliding, so I reckon a little bit of grease on that, and that should free her up and get her working again. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I'll show you after I've done that. I'm recording with the phone, I can't hold the phone at the same time, you understand. Okay, so that's done the trick. It's sliding nice and easy now. So there's the grease in there. I've got a mixture of didn't have much of this grease left, just wheel grease. So I put a bit of lithium grease in there as well, so you can see the mixture of colours there. But that's sliding really nice now, so I'll put that back on, and that should fix that problem. So I'm glad that's it. If it does become a problem later on in life, I will pull it apart completely to try and repair it. That's just what I do. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have a sticky back door not locking properly, that's what you'll have to do. Probably just get a lithium grease. Just get a lithium grease spray, and just you needn't have to worry about unbolting it from the van. Just spray it from the back with a grease spray to fix the problem up. I wouldn't use WD-40 because WD-40 wears off, where lithium grease leaves the grease behind once the WD part of it's evaporated out, and off you go. So happy travels, guys. Cheers. Alright, back in. Beautiful. Yeah, good for another 30 years. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.